welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. So as you see from the title, we're going to be talking about the top 5 fragrance houses that I think you should know about, or you probably already know about. And I will tell you, this list was pretty hard to give you all my top 5 fragrance houses that you absolutely should have in your collection, but let's get into it anyway. So first up, let's talk about it. This is not a new fragrance house, and it's nothing that you would not think that might not be on this list. Anyway, this is not new to the fragrance world, okay? And that is MFK. Okay, so hear me out. I know. Okay, just wait. Okay, so Mason Francis Kurkdjian has several different fragrances that I love, like Gentle Fluidity Gold. We have Baccarat Rouge 540, the Elixir. We have the Original. There are so many different fragrances in this house. And I had to put this on my top 5. And one, because the variety, right? I feel like MFK is just a foundational fragrance. I feel like that house you absolutely should have somewhere in your wardrobe. Whether it is the Baccarat, and maybe you don't like it, to each his own, right? Or maybe it's the Gentle Fluidity Gold. Maybe it's the Silver. I am not sure, but there are several different MFK fragrances, and I just totally feel like this house has to be a part of your collection, even if you have one, okay? Even if you have a sample, but it needs to be somewhere in your repertoire, in your fragrance wardrobe. This is a must-have house for any season that you're trying to get your toe into or dip your toe into. Well, we're here. Okay, it's fall. We are here. So if you're trying to get into fall, there are several different fragrances that I would recommend in this house. So MFK had to be a part of the top 5. You should know all about this fragrance, okay? Next up, we have another top you should know this fragrance house, and that is Parfums de Marly. Oh my goodness. You have Delina. You have Delina Exclusive. You have La Rosée. You have Valaya. I mean, the list goes on and on. Cassile. The list is listing, okay? And I feel like Parfums de Marly, just as a house, whether you're getting the male collection, whether you're getting the female collection, whatever collection you are getting, I feel like there is one that has your name on it, okay? Whether you like gourmand fragrance, fruity fragrance, clean fragrances, whatever that looks like, you like a little bow, you like a little diva, you like a standout, Parfums de Marly is going to have it for you, okay? I just totally feel strongly about it, and you can have your own opinion, which is fine, but I feel like that is definitely a fragrance house that you should know about. You should want to get your nose on and get to know more about the line, okay? There is something for you. So this one, you could go into Neiman Marcus, wherever, Saks, wherever else you shop, you can go there. Even I think maybe not Macy's. I don't know. Nordstrom's. But go and check out Parfums de Marly line. There are so many, and they're beautiful. They're beautiful bottles. They're simplistic. I think they just look so well on your dresser, but they also, to me, last. Now, some last more than others, depending on your thoughts and your body chemistry and how it flows. But just as a house, I love Parfums de Marly. And so, yeah, it's a must-have in my wardrobe. And I would absolutely recommend you get your little toes and get all up in there and try it out. Especially my new fragrance lovers on this channel. Try it out. See what you like. See what you vibe with. Now, you won't spend maybe a coin. But if you wait for a good sale on Joma Shop, try it in store, go to Joma Shop, purchase it, and voila, save a coin and smell amazing. Who doesn't want that? Yeah, don't say nothing in the comments, okay? Another fragrance house that you should know about in my top 5. Oh man, like I love this house because a lot of my lovely creators and people that I've watched and grown up with watching, like grown up in my adult era, not grown up, but people that I watch in these fragrance streets have created so many beautiful concoctions and creations and just, oh, I love this house. I love what it represents. I love the uniqueness. I love the nicheness it gives. And I love the price that it gives you at a niche realm. You know, we love a good savings. Okay. But that is none other than Navitus Parfums. Oh my goodness. This is Ambrosia Imperial, like Creator AI the Great. Like have been so many. Sharita M. Sheree just had, like, there are so many different creators that have come and gone. Gabby loves perfume. Like, there are so many that I can name. Christy, like, there are so many I can name that have given us so many beautiful fragrances. And I love that, right? I love that they partner with influencers and creators to create beautiful fragrances because they are consumer themselves, right? They love fragrances. This is something that they enjoy doing. And I love that they partner with, someone like us, just someone that's just going about and loves fragrances and loves to get their nose on things. Like, I love that they do that. So I have put so many coins and so many dents, and I have so many loves from this house, right? I adore it. I love that creators get to, just create their dream, right? Like, who would not love a fragrance, and they're selling a fragrance and they put their foot in it to bring it to us to also smell good. I love it, okay? I love the bottles. I love the quality, and I love the price, okay? Because they are not like knocking you down to your knees. Now, they used to have better deals, I will say, better percentages off, but it is what it is. But still, for a niche fragrance, to get it in the one area, even if it's the high ones, 180, but to get it in that price range, I mean, you're going to get like some niche fragrances that are in the 4, the 500s, right? Like, it can get really ridiculous. 8. Yeah, I don't know about that life, but it can get really ridiculous and high. But I appreciate Navitus Parfums really like giving us quality, something that lasts, and also having us save a coin. I mean, you can't get better than that, okay? So I absolutely had to have it a part of my top 5 fragrance houses that you should know. Next up, what can I say about this lovely fragrance house? I smile. There are so many varieties, right, of this fragrance house. Like, what they have distribute, like, tons, okay? You can get lost in the sauce, right? You can have an entire cabinet filled, like however you stock, like a bookshelf filled, or wherever you put your fragrances. You could have a whole row of this collection, this house, right? You could probably have 2 rows. I mean, maybe you even have the whole bookshelf filled. I mean, if you really buy each and every one of them. Anyway, I am talking about Mancera. Oh my goodness. Does anybody love this house? Maybe not, but I enjoy this house so much. One thing, I love a good coin saver, okay? So this you can find, and y'all know how I feel about Juicy Flowers, but you can find some of these fragrances for in the $70s, $80, right? So pricing is pricing at the right price. But Mancera lasts. That's the one thing that just is a standout. It lasts. It leaves a fragrance trail. It just projects. You want to leave your scent behind, put Mancera fragrances on and you gonna leave that trail, okay? We have so many different fragrances. We have Rose Vanille. We have Instant Crush, right? Instant Crush, that's back in the day, right? We have Juicy Flower, Vanille Exclusive, Tonka Cola. There are so many different fragrances in this house that can last you a lifetime. It is so many. And I feel like you can find, because it has so many and it's just a vast variety of this house and fragrances, I feel like you can find something that is suitable for you, right? Not every fragrance is going to work, right? Not every fragrance is going to be on your shelf. Not every fragrance from Mancera you're going to like. Not every fragrance from Mancera is going to last on your body, right? But you will find one that works for you. And I don't know many that don't last for a very long time. Yeah, they have cherry fragrances, fresh fragrances, gourmands for days. There are so many things to pick from. You all know how I feel about Juicy Flower. I just wore it. I'll talk about it on a separate video, but I just paired it. Got compliment, and my friend was like, "What is that?" And I said Mancera. And normally when I say Mancera, people are like, huh? What? Because it's not in your everyday store all the time, right? And so people are like, what? What's that? What's that? Unless you're really into fragrances, then you know what it is, right? But some of my newer goers that are just new into the fragrance world, you don't know. You're like, what? What's that? What's that? Right? But this is a house I would highly recommend you just search out, see what you like, see what you buy with, look at the notes, and test it out, right? I think you can get this in, I feel like I've seen this in Neiman Marcus. I think I've even one time seen that Saks, maybe not. But you can get this in some of your kind of higher end retail stores and get your nose on the collection. Highly would recommend Mancera. This is such a great fragrance house in my humble opinion. And last but certainly not least, I have to leave off with a bang. You have to know, a must know. Just go into Neiman's and smell them. The collection is immaculate. It is luxury. Yes, you're going to spend some money. You're going to spend a good old coinage on the coin. But it's so well worth it. The quality is there. The experience is beautiful. And everything's not going to work out for you. But even if you are my male, right? My male cousins, brothers out there, from my sis, right? Everyone can find something in this house, and it is quality, superb. Even if you don't like it, you can appreciate it. That is something, right? You might not get along with the fragrance. It might not be your vibe, but I can appreciate someone whose vibe this is, right? And I am talking about the house of Mind Games. Come on. Hello, do you know me? This had to be on the list. This is a fragrance house you must know. It is a coin. I really put a lot of these fragrances on my Christmas list. and get it for Christmas. But I love this fragrance house. Its quality is superb. It never misses a beat. I never miss a compliment. It's just addicting. It's great. Okay, I love this house. Please do not blind buy. Go into store, see what you vibe with. You will be at that counter for quite a while. I've done it. I know. I've done it. So, get your sip, get your little wine glass, whatever they serve you, and chill out. Have your nose take some time out and get comfortable. But please discover Mind Games if you have not. Get your nose on that beautiful fragrance, and I will suggest, once you're going through and discovering and smelling through, the paper, all that type of things, the tester strip, I would recommend, if you have your top 3 that you have picked out from Mind Games, try it on skin. Try those top 3 on skin. Try here, you can try here, you can use there, wherever you want to put the fragrance, but narrow it down to a top 3 and then rank, because your top 3, that's what you gonna get for Christmas, anniversary, Valentine's Day, and so on and so forth. We're just gonna add it to the thank you present list. But no, just discover Mind Games. It is such a beautiful house. I can't talk about it enough, but absolutely has to be on my top 5. You must know this fragrance house, hands down. Well, that's all, fam, for my top 5 fragrance houses you must know. What are some fragrance houses that you love and adore and that you're saying, sis, you must know? Comment down below, spam it up. What are some of your favorite houses that you're like, oh yeah, this one you have to have in your collection? I would love to know. I could go on and on for days on this list, but you know how your sis is in talking. We try to dwindle it down, okay? Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. But make sure that you're good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.